YouTube is not recommending your video, there are 3 things you need to do to fix that now. And here is the thing, it's not just about getting the list of 1, 2, 3 and say, okay, I'm going to fix this. You need to understand how to get them done. And that's what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'm going to be showing you how to do them. This is my second channel. I grew my first channel. Within the space of 9 months, I have about 10,000 subscribers. So I understand the trails and everything. Now, number 1, you must know that there is a difference between YouTube recommending your video and YouTube suggesting your video. The thing about recommendation, YouTube recommending your video, is that it is easy. That one is in your hand. You have the total control of YouTube recommending your video. It is going to be dependent on your title, your thumbnail, your keywords. Those things are not outdated. Okay, search engine optimization is still a thing. YouTube is not just a social media platform. It's a search engine. People come on YouTube to ask questions about something. So for instance, I made this hair myself on my second channel. My second channel is mostly about how to make natural hair and how to, lifestyle, how to take care of yourself, beauty tips and all of that. That's what my second channel is about. So when I made this hair on my second channel, I simply titled it how to make dreadlocks, DIY, So when somebody is at home and randomly just wants to find out how to do it, the person is not going to type, oh my God, this hair, this is what happened. If YouTube video that has those kind of titles are suggested on a person's timeline, they are likely to click and watch. But for people who come to search, the recommendation they are going to get is based on the keywords that you have used on your video. I hope you get the difference. So you need to optimize that, and that's one of the things I want us to learn today. You need to set up your playlist. What playlist does is not to kill your boredom. Playlist is just to encourage people to stay longer on your channel. I started this channel the same time I started my second channel, that is Didi Rati. 1 day interval. This one is even older by a few hours. And then Didi Rati is the one I started January 2025. And it's almost 10,000 subscribers strong as we speak. Now, this second channel hasn't picked up as much because I haven't been able to invest in the channel. It's difficult to grow 2 things at the same time. But now that second channel has gotten to where it is right now, I can now begin to pay more attention to this one. And here is the moral of my story. When I was building that second channel, I used playlist a lot. What playlist does is that once a video in your playlist is exhausted, a person would likely stay on your channel longer to watch more videos because YouTube would automatically recommend another video within that playlist for the person to watch. But if you don't have a playlist, it will automatically be directed to someone else. I know you know what I'm talking about. So for instance, you're watching this video right now. There is a part of your screen that you would see other people's videos. If I had a playlist, you would likely see other videos within the playlist. But this channel is pretty small. I don't have as many videos yet. But regardless, I already have a playlist. So that is something you must fix on your channel. Ensure that you have a playlist. Very, very important. Now, the second thing you need to do, the setting that you need to do is to optimize your end screen. You may not know what end screen is. That is fine. I'm going to show you what an end screen is. End screen is the last part of your video. As you are rounding off, YouTube would ask you if you want to add end screen, right? If you watch some videos, you would see as the video is rounding off, another one is popping up. They'll tell you to click on it. You see subscribe and then a video, or you see 2 different videos, or you see subscribe and a playlist. That playlist, now you see how it's coming to effect. Sometimes your playlist, you can even add your playlist to your end screen, so that people would stay longer on your channel. In fact, it's not just about views anymore. It's also about growing your watch hours, because the longer people stay on your videos or on your channel to watch your videos, the more watch hours you are accumulating, which is the goal, right? And watch hours is not just relevant for only when you're trying to get monetized. Even after monetization, you will still need to build watch hours, because it shows YouTube that there is engagement on your channel. Something is happening. People are interested in your channel, and that would also affect your suggestions and your recommendations. That is the recommendations of your video to other people who may be interested in watching videos from your niche. You get what I mean? Take advantage of your end screen. I'm going to show you how to do that. So guys, the first thing you want to do is to upload a video on your channel using your browser. It could be Chrome. And when you get to your channel, click on create, and then the options will come out. Then you click on the particular video that you want to use. I already named the video, so it was easy for me to identify it. And now it's just uploading. Now this is the most nerve-wracking part of uploading a video. The wait for it to move from 1% all the way to 100%. What I do is I never allow my screen to die out, like the light on my screen. It usually helps to hasten the pace. It usually uploads faster. So now it's on 20%, and then I keep waiting. Of course, I had to cut out the unnecessary part because it never takes this short time. Anyway, so it's uploaded now. It's time to upload a thumbnail, and I just uploaded the thumbnail that I already created using my Canva app, and now it's time to write a description. Remember, I already changed the title, so the title just displayed here, and it was so easy. Now to the end screen. The option is there. These are the options I was talking about earlier. You would see one video, one subscribe, one video, playlist, one subscribe. All the options are there. It is just a matter of preference and how your video ended so that it does not clump the space. Now I chose one video, one subscribe, and the option of to choose the exact video that I want, I chose that option of the exact video that I want to use. And so it will give me a list of the options of all the videos that are on my channel. And it's better you pick a long form video. If you have shorts, it may not work. So it has to be a long form video. And that's the one I use now. So after uploading, you have to click on save. Whatever you do, if you don't click on save, it will not work. It will be like effort in futility. And now we get to cards. The cards are a lot simpler. You can add as many cards as you want, but I always recommend 2 to 3 maximum, because it's also a distraction. If people are only seeing, like you're leading them to your other videos, they may not watch this particular video to the end. So give it space until they have watched enough of the video. Then you can now start adding, maybe like 3-4 minutes into your video, depending on the length of your video. So of course I'm choosing a specific video that I want to use. And then there are also times when you're making a video, you make reference to another one of your videos. It's a great time to add it in your cards. Anyway, I'm done, and basically now just waiting for the setup to add up. Anyway, now I'm on visibility. Although this channel is not monetized yet, I always do unlisted because it's the recommended one. It's even YouTube itself always recommends unlisted for a while before you change it to schedule it. So basically that's what it entails. Now I want to show you how to do it with shorts. I mentioned earlier that short might not work. The thing about short is that you won't even get the option of an end screen. It's too short. It just wouldn't work. This is a short form that I did, and when it got to the point of adding end card or end screen, it did not even work in the first place. That's just an extra lesson. But do not forget playlist, because as you can see, that is me just selecting playlist where to add them. It's as easy can be. Any video you upload, whether short, whether long form video, ensure that you maximize the use of your playlist, because in the end, that's what will keep people watching your videos for longer. You how to also use cards, end screen, there's end screen, and then there's also cards on how to use all of those. So guys, that's about it for this video today. I hope you were able to learn something. Give the video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel, and also you can share the video to people that you know would need this video. Thank you very much. See you in my next one.